COVID?
COVID? COVID? Just kidding. COVID? My friend Grace Carroll, who's an incredible blogger who you should follow, she invited me over for dinner and she made me this recipe one night and I totally fell in love with it and I went out and bought the book the very next day. This recipe comes from this beautiful book called Made in India by Meera Sodha. This is the recipe we're making today. It's the cilantro chutney chicken. And the first step is to actually make the cilantro chutney. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I promise you that even people who are a little bit on the fence about cilantro like this recipe. If you love cilantro, you will adore this recipe. It is literally going to fulfill all of your cilantro dreams. Here's a big bunch of cilantro. I'm just going to roughly chop it up, stems and leaves. And I'm gonna put these into my food processor. Oh no! Make sure that your food processor is open before you put the cilantro in it. Here we have an ounce of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or sugar, and 1/8 of turmeric. It's turmeric, it's not turmeric. I guess it's whatever you want it to be, and then this green chili. So you want it to have a pesto-like consistency. The cilantro chutney is ready to rock. You can put this on fish, you can put it on chicken, you can put it on tofu. Woo, spicy. You wanna peel your ginger, thinly slice your onion, chop up your garlic a little. First I'm gonna throw my onions into the frying pan. Now we're gonna add the garlic and the ginger into the food processor and make a paste out of it. Now that these are nice and golden brown, I'm gonna put half of these onions into this bowl and they will be used as a topping later. So now we're gonna add our garlic and ginger paste in. This smells so good. The ginger and the garlic, it's just so fragrant. Here is the chicken that I roasted a few days ago. If you're doing this with raw chicken, just let it sear for a bit on all sides. I am going to add the chutney in right now. Turn the heat down. I'm gonna pop the lid on and let this cook for about 10 minutes. I would say 15 minutes if you are cooking from raw chicken. While the chicken cooks, we're gonna add half of the onions into another little frying pan and we're just gonna crisp them up as a topping. Okay, so these are nice and crispy now. So now the last step, just put them on top and eat away. I'm gonna finally get to taste this chicken. I can't wait. Ready? So good. You can serve this with naan or some white rice. Meera recommends with homemade chapatis, which there's a recipe for in the book. So this book is really awesome because it's not heavy and kind of oily and creamy Indian food that we kind of get in North America. It's fresh and bright and full of flavor and quick to make and beautiful. So I highly recommend this book. Get your hands on it now. It's too late. You're already too late. Do you want some chicken? Chicken! Oh my God, I can't stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. And now I'm gonna go have a tequila soda on the front lawn. Can you please tell us how to fix this problem? WD-40, what is it? Comment below.